Welcome in Craft and Design 3.0M. For my dear guys, for my dear audience, in this video I will describe some dry plastic bottle reuse sculpture or plastic bottle gardening ideas in part 2. My dear guys, reusing plastic bottle for sculptures and a gardening project is a wonderful way to recycle and create unique eco-friendly decor. So some creative ideas for both dye plastic bottle sculptures and gardening project. My dear guys, dye plastic bottle sculpture is animal sculpture in which bird are special is for plastic bottle sculpture. Use the body of a bottle for the birds torso and cut out wing and a beak from other parts of the bottle painted to add details. So some fish create fish by cutting the bottle into a fish shape and adding fins and a tail from other bottles and some butterflies. I use a bottle body for the main part of the butterfly and cut out large wings to attach. So some human figures are also my dear guys, in human figures, faces use the top of the bottle as a head and a rest for the torso, and paint on a facial feature and use other bottle parts for hair or heat or heads. So some full figures create full human figures by connecting multiple bottles together for the body, arms and legs. So abstract art, geometric shapes. Cut the bottle into various geometric shapes and glue them together into abstract form. So some spiral sculpture. Cut bottles into spiral shape and combine them into an artistic sculpture. So some floral sculpture are also, my dear guys, flowers. Cut petals from bottle pots and assemble them into flowers. So use the bottle caps as flower centers and also a bouquet. Create an entire bouquet by making multiple plastic bottles flowers and arranging them together. So some miniature buildings like as houses, create miniature houses by cutting and assembling bottle parts into building shapes. So some castles like as a make detailed castle using multiple bottles for towers and walls. So some theme sculpture in which holiday theme, create a holiday theme sculpture like Christmas trees and Halloween decorations or Easter bunnies. So some nature scenes combine multiple sculptures to create scenes like forest, ocean or garden. It is also theme sculpture. So some plastic bottle gardening ideas. It can be much ideas I prescribe. Hanging planters like upside down planters. Cut the bottom of a bottle, insert a plant with root sticking out of the neck and hang it upside down. So hanging vertical gardens attach multiple bottles to a wall or frame in a vertical arrangement for a space-saving garden. So some self-watering planters. My dear guys, a reservoir system. Cut a bottle in half, place the top half inverted into the bottom half and fill the bottom with the water plant in the top half. So wicking system. Use a wick to draw water from the bottom half of the bottle into the soil in the top half. So some stacked planter, tired planters, cut bottle and stack them to create a tired planters for herbs or small plants. So some vertical towers are also, my dear guys, create a vertical towers by stacking several bottles with holes cut in the sides of for planting. So some wall planters, mounted planters cut bottles in half and mount them on a wall or fence. for vertical gardens. So some gutter planters cut the bottle lengthwise and attach them to a wall or fence like gutter. So some planting along the length garden edging bottle boards by bottleneck down along the edge of garden beds to create a colorful border. So some decorative edging. Cut bottles into shapes and arrange them around the garden and bed edges. Some creative planters. So some animal shaped planters cut bottle into animal shapes and plant in them. So some painted planters paint bottles to look like animals, faces, or abstract design. So some hydroponic system, my dear guys. Hydroponic bottles create a simple hydroponic system by cutting bottle and using them to hold plants with a nutrient solution. So some floating planters use bottle pot to create floating planters for hydroponic gardening. My dear guys, some tips for working with plastic bottle. It can be a longevity. First of all, cutting. Use a sharp skisser because the skisser is the most and usable material or usable uh, thing which is used in plastic working or plastic bottle working or plastic make working or utility need for clean cuts. So be careful and consider using gloves for hand safety to protect your hand. And my dear guys, after that painting, use acrylic paint in different colors like as black, white, blue, yellow. You can paint different colors means different animations. You can uh, uh, a solidatory animations you can use it. So sand the surface lightly if needed for better paint adhesion. My dear guys, one thing you remind in your mind that painting in different countries, different painting maybe because they can be their own taste and a region their own taste. Different tattoos you can make by a painting. So after that, adhesive. Use strong adhesive like hot glue, epoxy, or super glue to attach bottle pots. So some drilling holes are also used a drill to make holes for hanging and drain a connecting pot. So after that, decorating, add embellishment like beds, ribbons, or stickers for extra decorations. So the planning after that decoration when we use ribbons and different stickers and other extra decorations like as a different butterfly you can made on a plastic bottles for decorative purpose. And it can be used in interior design in sitting room, dining rooms, or in front of your lawn. You can make it by a tree shape. So planning, sketch out your design before starting to ensure you have all the necessary materials and a clear plan. So these ideas should inspire a wide range of project, my dear guys, from decorative sculpture. So thank you very much guys for watching my video once again. Thank you.